Raindrops are falling on my head.
We're here with Jake Dotson from Seattle. How old are you, Jake?
15.
About to go skate Sacramento 16s. Get a range session going. Do a couple of grinds, you know. AbleHardware.com.
Never know, but nothing less. Couldn't see that I had guessed. Couldn't see, couldn't stay away. Never even stopped to dream that I'd see anything, and the world just coming out so cold. Oh, and it's raining again. Loud on your car lights, the bullets on tin. Oh, and it's raining again. Open the door and they're pulling me in. Nothing here but nothing left. Cold-hearted, stuck in this. Couldn't